Before we start looking at lists, I want to show you a tool that helps us actually watch our code execute. It's a visualization tool. And here's an example of code from last week, the piece of code that compares two words and prints out the letters that are in common in both. So I've pasted it into the editor, and I'll click the Visualize button to walk through it. So what the visualizer shows you is the code itself on the left, the execution and output on the right, and then you can step it through one step at a time. So as we start the program, I'll click the forward button. Notice that the first line is the function definition, so it creates that function and a reference to it in the global frame. So I click again and move forward 2 steps. It assigns values for the W1 and W2 variables. Now as it goes to call the function, it creates a new frame because we've called the function, and it has initialized the word1 and word2 parameters as local variables in that function. Now it'll go through the for loop, and for each letter in the word, it will test to see if that letter is in word 2, and if it is, it'll print it out. So the first letter is D. It's not in word 2, so it will not print it. Second letter is A, and it is in word 2, so it will execute the print statement and print out the A, and so on, with the T and the E. And then, once it's all done, the function will return. Since I don't provide an explicit return statement, it simply returns the value of none. And then the program exits.